Yo, what's up people? It's your boy, T'Challa, King of Wakanda. Oh, I wish, it's just me. So it's 9:30 in the morning right now. I'm out in the farmlands of Arcata, just kind of chilling. I'll show you guys my setup in a sec, but I came out here to just kind of drink my coffee, play some Hearthstone, take pictures, watch YouTube videos, just, you know, my daily shit, but in my mobile office, or as some people call it, a car. So this is my phone, that's how I play Hearthstone, and then over here we have a Amazon Fire tablet, and that's a power bank right there. I watch the videos on that, and then I play Hearthstone right there. Got my coffee there. And yeah. Oh, it's so pretty out here. You can hear all the birds chirping, and really one car has driven by in the past hour. I wish it was a better day out, but there's something weird and nice about an overcast day. There's a lumber mill that me and Ezra would go to, and you can see it from almost anywhere in town. It's huge, it's pretty flat all around it, so you can see it from around, but it's just kind of a landmark to around here. And as you can maybe, there we go, that's it, way over there. I'd say I'm probably about 7 miles away from that right now. It's actually got its own little cutout in the fog, just so I can see it. Alright, well, me and this little one are probably gonna head out here now. So, like if you liked it, subscribe if you feel like it, and yeah, have a good day, everybody. I'm on a gate.